As a premier partner with the leading semiconductor companies for the past 23 years and a member of SGET, iWave continues to support customers with industry-standard products. OSM Open Standard Module, standard ratified by SGET, allows the module to be directly soldered onto the carrier card as a solder-on module, eliminating the need for an edge or board-to-board connector. Variations across the OSM Standard. The all-new standard is available in 4 different sizes ranging from size 0, small, medium, and large, varying on the LGA contacts available on the module. The pinouts are structured in such a way that carrier board can accommodate all the sizes onto a single slot, making it extremely future-proof and versatile. Advantages of OSM. The main advantages of the OSM module include PCB solderable module with resistance to vibration, compact form factor with smallest pin-to-area ratio, and provision for technology scalability.